day to you children. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, numbers up to 100. First we are going to start with warm up. In this, filling the missing numbers. So 1 is given. What comes after 1? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So we have finished missing numbers from 1 to 50. Now in this lesson we are going to learn reading and writing numbers 51 to 100. Representing number on the back is before, after and between, forward and backward counting, comparing numbers and ordering of numbers. Now making tens. Now we all know 10 ones means 1 10. 20 ones means 2 tens. So we know that now in this sticks are there. Okay, there are 5 bundles. In each bundles there are 10 sticks. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5 tens means 50, right? When 50 is there, so first we'll write in the place of ones and second we'll write in the place of tens. Numbers from 51 to 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 plus 1, 51. 5 tens and 1 ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 2, 51, 52. So in this 52, first we'll write in the place of tens and second we'll write in the place of ones. Third, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 plus 3. Okay, 51, 52, 53. So in 53, 5 will write in the place of tens and 3 will write in the place of ones. Next one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 50 plus 4, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, so 54. So in 54, 5 tens and 4 ones. Similarly, other numbers are there. 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Next is numbers from 61 to 80. Write the numbers and their number names as you write. 61. So 6, 1, 61. 62. 6, 2, 62. So 6 in the place of tens and 2 in the place of ones. Then 63. Okay. Then 64. SIXTYFOUR 4. 64. Then 65. SIXTY 60. FIVE 5. 65. Next is 66. 66, 66. In 66, 6 tens and 6 ones. Okay. SIXTY 60, SIX 6. Then 67, 67, 60, 7. SIXTYSEVEN 67. Then 68. SIXTY 60. EIGHT 8. 68. Next one is 69. 69. 69. SIXTY 60. NINE 9. 69. And last one is 70. So 70. 70. SEVENTY 70. Now 71. 71. 71. SEVENTYONE 71. Next is 72. SEVENTY 70. TWO 72. Next one is 73. 73. 73. SEVEN 70. THREE 3. 73. Then 74. SEVENTY 70. FOUR 4. 74. Similarly, you can write 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. SEVENTY 70. FIVE 5. 75. SEVENTY 70. SIX 6. 76. SEVENTY 70. SEVEN 77. Like similarly 78, 79 and 80. Come to the next page. Write the numbers and say their number names as you write. 81. Then EIGHTY 80 ONE 1. Second is 82. EIGHTY 80 TWO 2. 82. Next is 83. EIGHT 5. 80 THREE 3. Next one is 84. EIGHTY 80 FOUR 4. 84. Next is 85. EIGHTY 80 FIVE 5. 85. Similarly 86. You can write 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Then 91. NINETY 90 ONE 1. 91. Next is 92. 92. 92. NINETY 90 TWO 2. 92. Then 93. 93. 93. NINETY THREE 93. Next is 94. NINETY 90 FOUR 4. 94. Next is 95. NINETY 90 FIVE 5. 95. Similarly, we can do 96, 97, 98, 99 and 100. See, here is 100. 100 or 100 has 10 tens. Children, 100. That means this is the bundle of sticks. In each bundle there are 10 sticks. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How many bundles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 tens means 100 or 100. Next is, let us represent the given number on the abacus. 99. So 9 bits here, 9 bits here, plus 1. Okay, so 99 plus 9, 1. So take 99 in your mind and 1. What comes after 99? 100. So 100 tens ones. When two numbers are there, so we write first here in ones, then in tens. When three numbers are there, so 0, 0, 1. So 1 because 100. So for 100, 100 tens and ones. Now we are going to start with my fun time. Manjit wants to make number strips from 61 to 70 and 91 to 100. Make beautiful number strips using different colors. Okay. Then now we are going to use different color. Okay. 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Now we are going to start with my practice time 1. First, color the numbers and their names in the same color. First is 56. This is 56. Where is the number 56? Here. Okay. So like this we are going to color. Then 56 number here. Next we are going to take green color. 100 and here is 100. So first we are going to color the given outline and then we are going to color like this and 100. Then next we are going to take purple color, then 80. And where is number 80? Here is number 80. Then next we are going to take blue color. 92. Where is number name 92? Here. So we are going to color both the number and number name with the same color. Next one is 72. So here is the number name of 72. Now we'll take yellow color. You can use any color, whichever is your favorite color. Now we are going to use light green. So 64. Here is 64. And number 64 is here. Okay. So see how beautiful it's looking, right? So we have colored number and number name with the same color. Now come to the next page. Okay. Now B, write the number names. So first we are going to write the number name of 58. First we are going to write the number name of 58. So in this 58, so 58 means first we are going to write the number name of 50. Then 8, F-I-F-T-Y, 50, E-I-G-H-T, 8, 58. F-I-F-T-Y, 50, E-I-G-H-T, 8, 58. Second, 71. First we are going to write the spelling of 70, S-E-V-E-N-T-Y, 70, O-N-E, 1, 71. Third is 66, S-I-X-T-Y, 60, S-I-X, 6, 66. Similarly, you can write the number name of 99, 32 and 100. Okay. So now what we are going to do? We are going to match the following. 52. In 52, 5 tens and 2 ones. 5 tens and 2 ones. Next 67. 6 tens and 7 ones. 94. 9 tens and 4 ones. 100. So 100. Then 88. 8 tens and 8 ones. 88. Now children, filling the circles by counting backward. Counting backward. Okay, backward means ulta. So, backward. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. So, we are going backward. हम पीछे जा रहे. What comes before 100? 99. What comes before 99? 98. What comes before 98? 97. What comes before 97? 96. Then 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. Okay, so this one is the backward counting. Now 100. What comes before 100? 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. Then 70. What comes before 70? 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Next is 60. What comes before 60? 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. Okay, so now what we have done in this? Counting backward means 100 के पहले क्या आता है? 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. Then 70. What comes before 70? 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Now question number 4. What comes just before the given number? Now before number. What comes before 79? 78. 64, 63, 52, 51. Similarly, you can do D, E and F. Fifth, what comes just after the given number? What comes after 91? 92. What comes after 86? 87. What comes after 72? 73. Similarly, you can do D, E and F. Now, what comes between the given number? 42. What comes after 42? 43. So, 42, 43, 44. So, what comes between 42 and 44? 44, 43. B, 56. What comes after 56? 57. So, what comes between 56 and 58? 57. C, 51. What comes after 51? 52. So what comes between 51 and 53? 52. Okay, so similarly you can do D, E and F. Now question number 7. Use greater than, smaller than or equal to sign. So what we have to do? We are going to open the mouth, okay, on this side on which the number is bigger. Now 72 और 79 दोनों में से बाद में नंबर कौन सा आता है? 72 के बाद 79 आता है. That means that is a bigger number. So we are going to open our mouth like this. Right? 92, 53 दोनों में से बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 92. तो हम हमारा मुंह कौन से साइड ओपन करेंगे? बिग नंबर के साइड. So 92. 64, 86. 64 है, 86 है. ओके, सो हम माउथ कौन से साइड ओपन करेंगे? 86 के साइड, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बिगर नंबर है. सो लाइक दिस. देन डी. 100 और 50 कौन सा बड़ा नंबर है? बाद में कौन सा नंबर आता है? 100. सो वी आर गोइंग टू ओपन आवर माउथ लाइक दिस. ओके, दिस साइड. नाउ ई. 98 and 99. Now both the numbers are equal, so equal to sign. Similarly you can do F, G and H. Now see children, 84 and 96 is given, right? So which number is bigger, 84 और 96? कौन सा नंबर बड़ा है? 96, because 84 के बाद 96 आता है. तो जो साइड नंबर बड़ा रहेगा आपको साइन वो साइड करना है, माउथ वो साइड ओपन करना है. सो लाइक दिस. ओके. बी. 16 एंड 10. 16 और 10, 10 के बाद 16 आता है, राइट? सो 16 इज द बिगर नंबर. तो अभी हम माउथ कौन से साइड ओपन करेंगे? 16 के साइड, लाइक दिस. सी. 10, 10. चिल्ड्रन दोनों नंबर सेम है, सो नो ग्रेटर नो स्मॉलर, सो इक्वल टू साइन. डन. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. क्वेश्चन 8. राइट द नंबर्स इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर what we are doing in increasing order? So we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest, right? इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में हम क्या करते हैं? नंबर्स को कैसे अरेंज करते हैं? फ्रॉम स्मॉलेस्ट टू बिगेस्ट. 95, 58, 56, 54. सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 44. नाउ पुट अ फिंगर. अभी हमें ये 3 नंबर्स देखना है. व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर 44? 44 के बाद क्या आता है? 95? नो. 58? नो. 56? यस. नाउ पुट अ फिंगर. 56 के बाद क्या आता है? 58 और 95? 58. सो 58. नाउ what comes after 58? Which number is remaining now? 95. So we'll write 95 here. Okay. B. 81, 69, 71, 70. सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 69. Now children, what comes after 69? 70, 71 और 81, so 70. Now what comes after 70, 71 और 81? 71. And which number is remaining now? 81. So we'll write 81 here. Okay. Similarly you can do C and D. Ninth one, write the numbers in decreasing order. So decreasing order means biggest to smallest. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया था? सबसे छोटे नंबर को सबसे पहले लिया था. अब हम यहाँ करेंगे, क्या करेंगे? सबसे बड़े नंबर को लेंगे. 21, 97, 64, 36. So which is the biggest number? 97. Now what comes before 97? 97 के पहले क्या आएगा? 36? No. 21? No. 64? Yes. Now what comes before 64? 64 के पहले क्या आएगा? 36 और 21, so 36. And which number is remaining? 21. B. 82, 100, 79, 42. Which is the biggest number? 100. Now, what comes after 100? 82, 79 or 42? So, 82. Now, what comes before 82? 79 or 42? 79. And which number is remaining? 42. Now, true or false? The number between 74 and 76 is 75. Yes, true. 74 के बाद क्या आता है? 75. The number just before 96 is 97. False. 96 के पहले क्या आता है? 95. C. The number just after 89 is 90. True. 89 के बाद क्या आता है? 90. The two numbers between 63 and 66 are 64 and 65. True. 64 के बाद क्या आता है? 63 के बाद क्या आता है? 64 and 65, then 66. Now the numbers 68, 69, 70 are arranged in decreasing order. False. Decreasing order का मतलब क्या होता है? 70, 69 और 68. Now I learned. What we have learned in this? Numbers up to 100, before, after and between numbers, forward and backward counting, and comparison of number that is greater than, smaller than, is equal to. Okay. Now abacus. Now what is abacus? Abacus is a tool for counting. Increasing. Increasing means smallest to biggest. Decreasing. Decreasing means biggest to smallest. Okay children. So we have finished our lesson. I hope you have understood the matter. Thank you children. We'll see you soon.